Hi friends, hope you all are doing good. As you know, festive season is all around and you might be thinking to make some beautiful decoration at home. So have come up with some easy idea. So we will start the tutorial. Take green color crepe paper. Cut the crepe paper near the fold as shown. You need not to be very perfect here, but the crepe paper should be equal on both the sides so that when you cut the leaves, they will be of equal sizes. As shown, draw a guiding lines. I have taken stem of almost an inch, so when I open it up, it will be of 2 inches. So once you have drawn the leaves, cut it out. I will show the cutout for you for the last 2 leaves. As you can see, without cutting the entire leaf, I am just cutting the guiding lines near the guiding lines. You can increase the size of the leaves or decrease the size. It is totally up to your decoration as how you want it. When you open it, you can see leaves on two sides. Before that, you need to cut near the leaves so that when we twist the paper, it does not get cut by itself or towed by itself. As you can see, I am now twisting the paper. As this is a crepe paper, it gets easily twisted. So first you have to twist by holding both the edges, and then you can twist it in parts. As you can see, I am twisting near the leaves one by one so that our leaves does not get twisted in the paper itself. See how I am twisting it. I have showed you the twisting of the entire crepe paper so that you can see how I am twisting the crepe paper to form a thread. This is similar to a crepe paper thread which we get in the market. Just we are adding leaves to it. The more you twist it, it becomes harder and it gives you the shape of a creeper. Now you need to spread out the leaves so that when we have twisted it, they might have also got twisted up. So you need to spread them out. Now you need to fold the leaves to give them a shape of a natural leaves and twist them at the tip just to give it a look. As leaves does not have any proper shapes, it could be of any shape, so you need not have to worry for that. As you can see, our creeper is ready now. I have taken a pink color sticky note. Fold the sticky note as shown. Be careful while making the folds. Now draw a petal shape. And cut it near the petal. Ensure you cut it on the right side. Now cut the edges carefully. As you can see, full using a rose pink crayon, shade it up. Take a pink color crepe paper and cut it. Twist the paper as shown. You need to be careful here. Pierce a hole. And then pierce the stigma into the flower. Take the green tape and wrap it up. So our flower is ready. Just open the petals. Now take a black sketch. Before that, fold the petals. Using a